Everybody, Outcast here, also known as James. Some of you guys know me as James. But I'm here to launch my Indiegogo campaign. You guys have been seeing my work online with the 3D printing, the light boxes. You know, I got the mixer one here that I did give away to some friends. Got some more giveaways coming up soon. I also did this one for Ladman. You also seen the ones for the one I did for Rocket there. And you know, I've been getting requests here and there for more custom ones. And kind of what I'm realizing is that I'm having to deal with some capacity problems because I only have the one printer. And if you guys know about anything about 3D printing, it's not a instantaneous thing. It does take time. The mixer box here takes like 12 hours to print. And so to be able to start building up capacity, I need to buy some more 3D printers. And so I'm launching this Indiegogo campaign to provide some perks, to provide some 3D printed goodies, so I can get more 3D printers and get some different kind of 3D printers for some upcoming projects. Also to get some more filament, some resin for the new SLA printer that I'm going to be getting. I need some more Raspberry Pi so I can control them on the network. And I need your help to be able to do it. And then to provide, and then I'm going to be providing content for all of the stuff, projects and things that I'm going to be doing. We've got some assembly videos coming down the pipe for a few projects. I've got, I do live streaming, so I'm going to be setting up, maybe I'm toying with the idea of setting up a separate channel, streaming channel, that's just going to be 24 hours of the 3D printing farm. Stuff like that. And I can't do it without your guys' help. So I'm hoping you guys will find one of the perks here on the page that you can get behind. Spread the word, tell your friends. I can't do this without you. And I really appreciate you guys taking the time to watch this video. And for any support is great. Even just sharing, retweeting, telling a friend, telling a neighbor, whatever. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for your time, and you have a wonderful, wonderful day.